Hey, Renee, as always, it's nice to get your professional input because you definitely know lots, and that time and effort is much appreciated. So let me just show you, I opened up AutoCAD just as an example. Grab an object, push the move command, which is the M button, and then it wants me to specify a base point. So click and let go, and now it's attached. And see, I don't even have it set. I think I have my angles at like 22 and a half, because in framing that's a legitimate number. But I can drag this in any direction I want. AutoCAD says, yeah, whatever. And then it kind of locks in horizontal and vertical, but the same thing, if I'm over here and I'm a little off, then it's off. But here's what happens when you hold the shift button. Now I'm moving my cursor around, and I only get, it either goes horizontal or vertical, or horizontal or vertical. So, and I'm just pressing down on the shift button. And then as soon as I get where I want to go, like say I'm dragging it and I want to go exactly 10 feet. See how there's a number underneath the cursor? So I just go 10 feet. All right, what did I do, 10 inches? Yeah, 10 inches. It moved 10 inches exactly to the right. And then I let go of the shift button, and I'm driving on with something else. And in AutoCAD, which is kind of a weird thing, but it works, it's always good to space things apart like a certain number of feet. So I can be working on something and I go, oh, I need that over there. That's where Chief shines. The whole single BIM model, any software that does that, it's amazing, because I don't have to go, well, I have a fan here, but in this view I need a fan. And I know that this piece of the model, or the 2D that I drew, is 80 feet away. Everything's 80 feet away. So I just go here and I just move and I type in 80 feet, enter. And so, yeah, total waste of energy. AutoCAD is just really good on certain things, like this. I can define everything in here and then cut it. But Chief, if Chief would just do this, like let's say I need to move this vertically 5 feet. So I go click, shift, and I start moving, and I type in 60 inches, enter. Oh, hold on, 60 inches, enter, and there you go. Let go, shift, and there you go. So it's an easy workflow. Thanks again for excuse me. Yeah, I've been under the weather for like 3 days, and I'm coming out of the other side just fine. So I got to go breathe some more steam. Take care.